Hi students, welcome back to our IT class. Children, previously we have learned that a computer is an amazing machine that can do different types of jobs. It has different parts that work together to form a computer system. The two basic parts of a computer system are hardware and software. Before starting this lesson, let me ask one question. What are the essential things we need to live? Think and say the answer. Yes, we need air, water, food to live. Like that, computer also need hardware and software to work. Let us learn about hardware. Hardware means the physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch. The human body consists of different parts. The outer parts of the body are visible. Example, eyes, nose, lips, etc. But the parts like brain, heart, lungs are inside, which cannot be seen. Similarly, in computer, we can see the parts of hardware that are outside. Example, keyboard, mouse, CPU, etc. They are attached to the CPU by cables, but some parts of the hardware are inside the CPU. You can see them only when you open the body of the CPU box. Example, processor, motherboard, memory card, etc. Next is software. Software is a part of computer which cannot be seen and touched. To make the hardware work, we need to have software in it. So, tell me, what is software? Software is a set of instructions to the computer to do a particular work. Let us understand software with the help of some examples. Example, when you draw a picture in paint, the paint is software, the mouse is hardware. Understood? Another example, all of you must have seen and used a music system. The parts like speaker, DVD, CD, which you can see and touch, that are called hardware. Can you see the songs or music recorded on a CD or DVD? No, because it is a software. A CD is a hardware, but the movies and songs which are stored in it are software. There are two types of software: application software and system software. Now we are going to study about application software. An application software is used to perform specific work for user, such as draw pictures, play games, watch movies, listen music, etc. For example, MS Paint, used for drawing pictures; games, used for entertainment; Notepad, used for writing and making corrections in the text; calculator, used for doing calculations. Likewise, there are number of application softwares are present in our computer system. The next is system software. System software manages all the activities in a computer, and it also controls the working of a computer. Example, operating system. It is a part of system software that makes the computer run. Then say, what is operating system? Yes, operating system acts as a mediator between the user and computer. Without operating system, a computer is just like a dump. Let us understand it with the example. Take the case of a car. It has petrol, engine, wheels, but it is not moving. When will the car move? It will move only when the driver starts it. So, the driver is the operator of a car. Similarly, operating system is the driver of a computer, which makes it run. Without operating system, the computer cannot work on its own.
Chapter 2: Software and Hardware. Friends, we have to continue our study with the difference between software and hardware. Now, shall we have a quick look over them? Okay, Let's begin. What are the essential things for our life? We know well about them. They are air, water, and food. What are the items needed for computer? Computer is an amazing machine. It can do different types of work. Computer has two different parts. They are hardware and software. Do you know what is the hardware and what a software is? You already have drawn a picture using Paint. Here, Paint is a software and mouse is a hardware. Now, let's study about hardware and software in detail. Okay? Hardware. We were discussing about the hardware parts of a computer like keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, printer, etc. Hardware in total means the physical components that make a computer system and can be seen and touched. Without hardware and software, computers can't do any work. The microprocessor, SMPS, hard disk, RAM, CD-DVD drive, motherboard, etc. are kept inside the metallic box together, which is called the CPU, are all the hardware parts of a computer. Software. Software is a set of instructions given already to the computer to do a particular work. These sets of instructions are of two types, such as application software and system software, according to the purpose they serve. Application software. Hello friends, do you know what an application software is? It is a set of instructions that means a software used to do certain specific applications for the user, such as playing games, drawing pictures, preparing question papers, writing notes, doing calculations, watching videos and movies, playing DVDs and listening to music, etc. Paint, WordPad, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, calculator, Windows Media Player, etc. are some examples for application software. System software. System software is the set of written commands inbuilt in a computer which controls all activities in the CPU. It helps to start the computer system and also controls the activities or operations of the computer. Operating system. The operating system works mainly as a mediator between user and computer. Without an operating system, the computer is just like a dump. The popular operating systems which we use are DOS, Windows 7, Linux, Mac OS. Windows 7 is one of the popular operating systems in the world.
Before concluding this lesson, let me recap the points which we discussed today, that are hardware and software. And after we discussed about the different types of softwares, that are application software and system software. This is enough for today's class. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next class. Bye.